Let's see how to maximize your lead generation process using the power of Instagram or Facebook comments. So I will show a live demo of how to collect a particular customer's email address, phone number by just using a comment automation tool right here. So here I'm in a demo account over here, and let me actually go to the flows section and let's make use of other free templates for the comments automation. So let me go to the flows, and here we have the all free templates over here, and here head over to comments automation. So here you have a different sort of templates for the comments automation, so you can actually use one of these. So here let's say we want to trigger these comments automation and lead generation process of collecting the customer's email and phone number through Instagram. So here this is the template related to the Instagram. So here we will only request the email address and the send resources over here. So let me duplicate this one before me any changes. So let me click on duplicate. Alright, it has been duplicated right here. So let me rename this one. So let me rename this one as request email plus phone IG comments. Simple as that. Alright, it has been renamed as well. So let me open this one right here. So here as you can see here, so let me show that it start with this sort of message, and here you can anyways jump in and change these messages as well. So here we are only requesting for the email address. So what we can do here is that we can also request for the phone number as well. So let me show how to do that. So here we are only requesting for the email address. So if you want to, after we ask for the email address, so let's say we are also asking for their phone number. So let me click on send message over here, and here you have to click on add content, get user data. We want to get the customer's phone number, so choose get user data, and here you have to choose the phone number option over here. Simple as that. And remove the skip button as well, so that they have to enter a phone number to proceed. Simple as that. Alright, and here you have to simply type whatever the message you want to send to them asking for the phone number. So let me say, finally, what is the phone number to send you any important updates and discounts? Just a simple message right here. So once they provide the phone number, if you are planning to send any sort of SMS automations, you have to make sure to add an action over here and opt in them for the SMS. Choose SMS and make sure set SMS opt-in. And here if you are wondering what sort of phone number you will be using, you can simply connect your Twilio phone number over here. So if you go here, settings, and in channels, you have the option to connect a phone number over here. It's very pretty straightforward. So if you click on learn more over here, we have a guide on how to connect your Twilio phone number right here. So here you can simply connect your Twilio phone number by selecting your account SID and auth token, and you can simply choose your phone number and connect it on our platform in just a few seconds. Simple as that. So once it is connected, you will see any actions are related to the SMS right here. Simple as that. So here SMS opt-in is set up, and what you can do is you can simply connect it right here. So if you want to send any sort of SMS, you can do that as well. So let me show that. Send message, and here you can send the SMS as well. So to send SMS, make sure you choose message type as SMS over here, and here you can add whatever the SMS right here. So here let me say, and let me simply copy paste this message over here, and let me say hi, first name. You can access by clicking the link below, and let me say this is a link over here. Let me simply choose the link as static media over here. So let me paste that link as well. So let's send an SMS as well along with the email as well. So here when you send the email, you can simply choose or change the subjects or update any messages as well right here. So let me click publish over here, and let me show how to trigger this or connect with the comment automation. You have to simply go to this auto marketing over here, where you can access the comment automation along with other automation marketing tools over here. So let me choose Instagram comment automation over here, and let me deactivate all of the things over here. Let's create one over here. So let's say IG SMS plus email. IG SMS plus email. All right. So here you can actually track comments on all posts or choose a specific post as well. For now, let's choose all posts and private reply to the comment. So here you have to choose the flow we just created. Request email plus phone IG comments. Simple as that. And for the public comments, you can have like send your DM. DM sent. So here you can easily have your own public comment replies over here, and let's say comment equal to lead. So only if they comment as lead, then this particular automation will be triggered. So likewise, you can create multiple comment automation for different sort of comment keywords, those kind of things. Otherwise, you can also trigger for the all comments as well. Simple as that. And here you can make other customizations, and you can even delay this response by minutes, seconds, and hours as well. So let me click save over here, and you have to make sure this is published as well. So here, make sure to activate this one over here. All right, it is now activated. So now we can quickly test how this actually works as well. All right, so here I'm in Instagram. The keyword we set up was lead. So if someone comments on any post or reel as lead, then that particular automation will be triggered. So let me add the comment as a lead over here and see what happens. All right, we received the message over here, and if we go to this particular comment, we can see this particular public comment reply as well. So let me go back to the messages over here, and let me say yes please, and it will simply ask for the email. So let me say this email, chattingmedia@gmail.com. So let me add this email over here, and it will ask for the phone number as well. So let me enter this phone number, 2435673. all right, so let me enter this particular phone number as well, and let's see what happens. So here it should send us the confirmation message of thank you, here is the link to your free resource, and here they can access this particular free resource in the Instagram DMs, or it will also send them an email as well. So let me go to the emails over here, and this is the email I just received over here. As you see, your free resource is here, demo chatting media, and this is the email. So if you go to this particular flow we just created or just duplicated, so this is the email right here. So now let me go show the SMS we just received. So let me show my phone screen over here, and as you see, this is the last SMS I received over here. Hi Robert, you can access your free resource by clicking the link below. So here, this is the exact SMS we have set up right here. Simple as that. So now if you go to the inbox over here, we should see the conversation happened over there, including the customer's details as well. So let me open the inbox, and this is the details they provided over here, along with the phone number, as you can see here. And here, and anytime an agent can jump in and send them a message over here, which they will receive instantly on the Instagram. Otherwise, since they have already provided the phone number, they can also send SMS to the particular customer's phone number as well. So let me send. So here you can see the channel over here. So let me send a hi, and we should receive that hi in the Instagram. So here we receive the hi in Instagram. Simple as that. So now if you choose to send an SMS, choose SMS. So let me send hey. As an agent, I'm sending hey. So we should receive the SMS hey in the SMS as well. So that's a quick video on how you can actually generate leads or collect customer information such as email or phone number using the power of comments automation on Instagram, or even this simply works on the Facebook as well. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.